Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the actual inputs and access you need. Upload one or multiple high-resolution images. Gemini reads detail better with 2048px or 1 MB+, so use the best file you have. Log into your Google account and confirm Gemini is enabled. Make sure camera and gallery permissions are granted. Choose a style and an aspect ratio, like 16:9 for video or 4:3 for prints. This clarifies how Gemini composes. Once done, you're ready to open You now craft prompts that tell Gemini exactly what to change and why. Start with a concise directive, subject, mood, and lighting, then add camera details like lens type or aperture to control focus and depth. Preview the output and iterate. Change one element at a time so you can see cause and effect. If you need localized edits, apply a mask or select a region to preserve faces or backgrounds. This prevents unwanted global changes. Make sure to save versions as you refine iterations. You finish by selecting export options that match your destination. Pick PNG for transparency, JPEG for smaller files, and set resolution and compression. Save a layered or editable copy so you can revisit changes later, then export a flattened final for delivery. If results have artifacts, grain, or odd proportions, reduce edit strength, tighten masks, or rephrase the prompt to be more specific. Sometimes a small aperture or reduced texture note fixes it. If nothing helps, restart with the original image and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.